guys, welcome back to Matt&nana, also known as Pink Squad. Guys, it actually snowed. It actually snowed. Guys, let me show you what it looks like outside right now. It's crazy. Look at this. Look at this.
Bro, slipping.
I'm slipping and sliding. Look at this. What? Look. Oh my goodness. Guys, it really snowed. Let me see if I can go to the back. Oh my gosh, it is super deep. Oh my god. Ow! My foot is cold. Guys, what? I'm falling and I'm slipping and I'm... Guys, I can't believe. I really can't believe it. I can't believe it. Look at the back. Look at Leo. Leo went to go get the shovel. He's in the back of me here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Lord.
Nobody's melting this one.
What? Look at that. Hey guys, oh my god, it's really snowing out here. Leo's over there shoveling, taking snow off his car. Okay, now, guys, pretty deep, super deep. Where's the shovel?
How you gonna help me when you choose to put on your sneakers?
Listen, it's fine. Okay, it's perfectly fine. Going to be extremely cold, and it's going to be in single digits. That's the worst part.
See, I'm breathing too hard and then
Yeah,
I'm tired.
that's the worst part. But yeah, guys, I will get back on.
This is what I've told you.
The salt? You got to show them the salt right there, because Matthew's inside.
Look, yo, what they doing inside?
I know, right? Like, oh, we'll get back on once we'll get back on. Bye. Good morning. Good. Bye. Deuces. Hey guys, me and Leo are heading out in the snow. We gotta go get salt because it's not enough salt. That's how bad the snow is outside. And
we're not only gonna get wait. So you gonna get what?
I'm gonna go get snow boots, guys.
I said why? Because yesterday she went and bought like 2 Uggs, right? And I told you.
I know, but I thought the forecast was like actually lying about the snow. And I have snow boots, but guess what? They're too small. They're too tight for me. So I need new snow boots.
Yeah, look at this.
So apparently I have to go. Oh my gosh. Guys, I have to show you guys how we shoveled. Look at this. And the snow is just piling up still. All right, guys, I'll get back on. Peace. Guys, we're in the car. Well, Leo is outside. He's putting like, I think windshield wiper for the windshield, the fluid. And guys, let me show you the window. Look at this. You could barely see. Look at this. Mind you, we were out here earlier and we took the snow, we cleaned the snow off the windshield earlier. That was probably an hour ago. An hour ago. And look, guys, It is nasty outside. Look at this. Look at Leo. He's putting windshield windshield fluid. Yeah, into the.
Can you turn on the wiper, please? Hold on.
All right. Huh? Do it now? Look at this, guys. Now you could. Yes, finally. But the snow is falling heavy, guys. Heavy. Look at this. Look at that, guys. Yes, because I can't even see the road.
You know what I have, though?
Okay, but still, look at that, guys.
What's that for?
My goodness. Wow. Let me show you guys. Everyone's look. People that didn't shovel yet, it's bad. People that didn't shovel yet, it's insane. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. So yeah, guys. I'll get back on once we get to our destination. I'll get back on. Pray for us. Peace. Guys, we are still on the road. Still haven't got to our destination yet. But let me show you what under the tunnel looks like. Clear. See that? Nice and clear. Because it's not nice out. It's crazy outside. But yeah, guys, this is the most as fast as we've been driving. We at 30? We were 35? We were driving like a snail. So yeah, guys. Still in the car. I'll get back on once I get to my destination. Once again. Peace. All right, guys, we ended up in the city, okay, and the UGG store was closed. My luck. So now we're going to Macy's. Guys, wish me luck. Pray that I find a boot because I'm doomed if I don't have snow boots. It's crazy. Look at outside. Look at that. All right, I'll get back on. All right, guys. Went to Macy's and couldn't find the boot. We went to the actual UGG store and it was closed. We went to Macy's, didn't have any snow boots. So now we ended up in Nordstrom. Okay. My luck that I can't find snow boots. Why? Because I was being negligent, thinking it wasn't really gonna snow that bad. And here I am in Nordstrom. Guys, my luck, still can't find snow boots to wear. My luck, guys. Why me? I should have known. I was just being very nonchalant about the snow for today. So I guess it's the consequences. I'm paying for it. Remember, guys, yesterday we were out here in Times Square where I was saying, oh, look, is it gonna snow? Look at the sky. Well, look now. Look at Times Square now, guys. Let me put down the window for you guys. Look at Times Square now.
The bus can't even move.
Look at this, guys. We were here yesterday, guys. Look at Times Square now. Crazy. This is crazy work right here. Insane. We were here yesterday and look. Guys, so yeah. I'm still on the hunt for boots.
I think we only have 2 choices now.
It's either if I don't find it today, I have to probably get it tomorrow. Guys, another destination I have arrived to is Bloomingdale's. This is my last stop, guys. I don't think I'm going to be after this. Look at this, guys. Look. Ugh. Look at this. Guys, this snow is super deep. This is my last stop, Bloomingdale's. If I don't find these boots, snow boots, I'm gonna have to come back tomorrow. So I'm gonna go in. Guys, I'll get back on if I find something. Peace. Moon boots. Tell me, guys, what you think. Should I get them, guys? Or should I stick to Uggs? I don't know, but I think I'm gonna get them. Right here. Alright, I'll get back on. Alright, guys, I ended up getting the moon boot because I was desperate. And, well, Leo's holding it for me right now.
It's really nice though.
It's cute. I'm not gonna lie. The moon boot is cute. It's burgundy. I would have got the black one, but I want to be different. Yeah. So I got the burgundy one. Not bad. They feel warm. They're comfortable. The only thing is when I go to work, I have to go with a pair of shoes to change into because I can't wear that for work. So yeah, guys. So I finally got a boot. I finally got a snow winter boot. Finally. My gosh, what a journey. Like, I have my sneakers on and snow got into my sneakers. Look, guys, this is what I have on. I have Jordans on in the snow, in a snowstorm. Who does that? Who wears Jordans in a snowstorm? Obviously me. But yeah, guys, so Leo is checking out perfume.
Oh, smell this. This smells good.
That smells good.
What about this one?
I like that one. It smells good. Wait, guys, I have to show you guys what the city looks like right now. Hold on.
This is a moon boot, right?
Yeah, got the moon boot.
Look at the car. I cleaned like 4 times already.
Look, guys. Look how white and so quiet the city is right now. Look at this.
Right behind you. Good.
Look at that. It's far away. Guys. All right, guys. Ugh. Oh, man. Wow. All right, guys. I'll get back on again. I said when I get home, I'll get back on, but I have to show you guys what outside looks like. Peace. Look, guys, this guy was stuck. He's stuck, and people are helping him. There's good Samaritans on earth. Oh my gosh, look at this. He's stuck and they're helping him push his car. Guys, look. People are helping. See, there's good people on earth. There's good Samaritans on earth. How nice. Look at, still spinning. Oh, he's gonna get out.
And look at this one. Look at this one.
He's getting out. They're helping him. Yay. Wow. There you go. Nice.
Yeah, you gotta stop to say thank you.
Yep.
There you go.
That was nice. All right, guys. Peace. All right, guys. I finally made it back home. Finally. After a whole journey of roaming the city looking for snow boots. Right, Leanna? You guys were home. You guys
But Dad,
didn't...
guess what?
What?
She's gonna, did you get gloves?
No, I forgot to get gloves. Anyway, that was not what I was worried about. I was worried about me getting snow boots because I have to go to work and the snow out there is crazy. The snow out there is crazy and Leo's actually still shoveling outside. Guys, the front of the door here was crazy. Oh my gosh, it was crazy. Look, see Leo's still outside shoveling. Look at that, and the snow is still falling.
Man.
Look at that. Oh my gosh. Yeah, guys, so we're finally home. Leo's just putting salt out to melt the snow a bit. This is what it looks like out there. Yeah. Let me know, guys. Comment in the comment section below and let me know if you guys ever heard of the moon boot. Do you guys like it? What's the review on it? So yeah, guys, let me show you. I got the burgundy color. Let me show you guys. Hold on. This is the one I got.
Could it fit me?
Hold it, Anna. Let me know, guys. Comment in the comment section. What do you think about my boot? I just needed some, snow boots. And these are the boots. These are the boots apparently that people wear to ski. But I tried them on and they're pretty comfortable.
Can I try?
They're warm. You want to try them on, Leanna? Go ahead, put them on. And look what. Turn to the side, Leanna. Turn to the side. Yes, guys. So I got my boot finally. I'm happy and like, dang. I've been searching and I got something. So I'm gonna close out the vlog, guys. If you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And join the what?
Pink Squad!
Yes, guys. See you in the next video. Peace. And we're snowed in.